In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious garlic, mushrooms, and spinach recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of mushrooms sliced, 1½ cup of spinach, 4 garlic cloves shredded, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in our butter and melt completely. Add the mushrooms and cook thoroughly. Add the garlic and saute for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Season with the salt, pepper, and the balsamic vinegar. Add the spinach and cook until well done. Now you can plate and top with Parmesan cheese. Our garlic, mushrooms, and spinach is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.